What's up, guys? If you like birds or are thinking about getting a bird, you've got to watch this video. In this video or series of videos, you can watch us raise Larry here. Larry's a Catalina macaw, and we're going to show you from the time that we stole him out of the nest to where he is at 110 days and all the stuff that goes along with raising a bird, which I had no idea. So I hope you guys like it. Now would be a good time to hit that like and subscribe and the little bell down there in the bottom. See right there? Hit that. It'll let you know when we release the next video of raising Larry. Hope you guys enjoy. About to hear a lot of squawking on this video because I'm going to steal a baby macaw. So the baby is about 23 days old now. It's a little late to be doing this from what I've read, but we're going to do it because it's time. And in order, it sounds cruel to steal somebody's baby, but in order for it to be tame and us be able to handle the bird safely, then we have to hand raise it. So we've let the parents feed it for the first 2 weeks or 3 weeks now, so that they can give it the necessary bacteria out of their stomach. But like I say, we're a little late, but we're gonna go attempt not to get bit and grab this little baby safely for the parents and for obviously the baby and me last. So don't try this at home, kids. I'm a trained professional. Actually, that's a lie. I've never done this before. So here it goes. Sorry, this is the best view you're gonna get with the ambient light coming from the greenhouse. There's Dusty the father on top. So now we just gotta coax him out with a little bit of bread, hopefully, which I gotta go grab, and then we'll see how this goes. Hey Dusty, how you doing, buddy? Want some bread? Yeah, I know. Yeah, come over here. See if we can get Samantha out. Samantha, you want some bread? Oh, yeah, I see. I know. I understand. You're being good parents. Okay, yeah, I know. Here's a piece of bread. There you go. Look, it's up here. One piece of bread. Dan, would you like a piece of bread? Come on over here. Come over here. Maybe come to your cage. I'll put some bread over here. Yeah. There you go. There's a little bread. There you go. Come on over here, Samantha. Yeah. Come on. That's good bread. Yes, it is. I'm going to move this out of the way. So hopefully I'll get both of y'all in the cage, and then we'll roll it out of the way a little bit. There you go, Samantha. Good girl. All right, good girl. Stick come out. That's good. Okay. There you go. There you go. Come on. Some bread. Just come on over here. Okay, we've got him away from the nest. I'm just gonna see if I can keep him away with this bread while we go grab. Here you go, guys. Here. Look, here's some over here. Come on. I know, Dusty. I know. You want to kill me. I get it. Hey, look. Bread. Look at all this bread, guys. Yeah, you're okay. Get that door to shut. You're all right, buddy. Okay, wow, heart's beating. Well, this is the little baby. Doesn't have a name yet, and hopefully we're halfway in frame, but I'm having to watch my back and make sure the door closes. There it goes. We got him all wrapped up, and the tripod, of course, is falling a little bit. We got him wrapped up, got his wings nice and safe. He's a big dude. So let's go ahead and we'll get him on in the house and get him in the incubator. I don't want him to get too cold, although it's like 80 out here. All right, little bud. Let's go in here. Got it nice and warm and clean for you. We disinfected it earlier today. I washed my hands, and this is a clean shirt. Now we're just setting down in there. There you go, buddy. Let me have this shirt back, bud. There you go. All right, I'll let you calm down. Put everything back. Pull these up a little. About the same height as his body. And that seals back up good. Sorry, you couldn't see anything. I was pulling on these wires right here that go to my humidity and obviously temperature gauge. So there's the little guy. That's not the best picture. I didn't really want a cord to get through the glass for some reason. But he's just laying down. He's fine though, that went really smooth. Thank goodness nobody got hurt, including myself. So we'll just kind of watch him, watch his temperature. And if he starts shivering, then we know we've got it too cold. But if he starts panting, then we know we got it a little too warm. So I'm gonna put the phone down for a little bit just to ensure his safety. And then we'll record a little bit later once I know he's good and settled and all the temperatures are right and that he's safe. So we're going to bring him out, our little buddy, for the first time out of the incubator. It's been about an hour. Now I've got a little food prepared in case his crop is empty. And we've got it at about 98 degrees. Yeah, I got to lean down. The food's about at 98 degrees. I got it in a bowl of warm water. Incubator's at 88 degrees. 66% humidity. So I'm gonna grab him out and let's see what he does. Wash my hands, make sure they're good and clean, sanitary. And we have used put the syringe in the dishwasher. Come here, little fella. Hey there, little buddy. Yeah. You're nice and warm. Let's see how you do standing up. You stand up? You stand up okay. We're not going to give you any food because your crop is nice and full. So Mama must have fed you right time before I got you out. But I do want to make sure that you can stand up good so that we know you don't have white muscle or a lack of vitamin E. But I want to do it without pressing on his crop, because that can cause him to regurgitate. Hey, little buddy. So if we were going to stimulate feeding, we would just kind of get on the sides of his mouth, do like that, and he's going to want to eat. But again, we're not going to feed him because his crop is too full. All right, little buddy. Let me see how you can stand up, okay? Again, I'm putting my fingers down here, not on his crop. Yeah. Hey. Hey. There you go. Yeah, you're hungry anyway, though, aren't you? Yeah, you're hungry anyway. Even though your belly's full, that's why you've been passed out in there, little fatty. I think he's fine. I just want to make sure to keep him warm. But I'm gonna check with a friend of mine who has raised a bunch of these about that white muscle, that vitamin E deficiency, just because he's kind of lethargic and lays down. But I think that's just because he's full and he's happy in that nice warm incubator. Yeah, you happy, buddy? And your dad's loud, so maybe you're getting some good sleep finally. His father, that blue and gold, is crazy loud, so maybe the little fan of the incubator, which is kind of my setup. Yeah, I'm in my closet, unfortunately, and yes, I did use a beer box for a liner, but that's his little box. But he's going to be too big for it, so I've got to find something a little bit bigger. He's a lot bigger than I thought. Right, buddy? Can I see you stand up one more time? Oh, yeah. I know. I'm tired. Here, can you stand up on your own for me? Can you stand up? Can you stand up on your legs? I know you're full and tired. Here. Stand up. Look. Come on. Come on, stand up for me. Can you stand up on your feet? Let's go. Come on. I want to make sure his legs are okay. He's just kind of, can hold on, but he's just kind of floppy. Hey. Can you wake up? Want some food? Want some food? I wish you'd stand up a little bit better for me, dude. See his full crop? It's pretty tight. Hope he doesn't have a compaction, but I don't think so. It is a little hard. I might have to question my friend who's a pro at this. This is my first time, so I'm just learning. So I'll send him this video in a second and we'll see what he comes back with. Right, bud? I wish you would stand up for me. Can you stand up? It's not really standing up. I'm kind of having to hold him up, which worries me a little. I mean, he can kinda. I want to see him stretch out though and use his legs. Maybe he's just full. Alright, we'll send this video to my friend and see what he says about it. Hopefully looks okay. I just don't know. Alright, buddy. Let's put you back in the incubator where you can get warm. You think you're hungry anyway, don't you? Don't you? Oh, monkey. Don't you? As I was trying to put him back in the incubator, he wanted to start jumping around. You want to jump? Do that again for me. Here. Oh, come on. Come on, jump around. Come on. Can you stand up? Can you stand up? Stand up for me, buddy. Come on. Can you stand up? Just kind of tickle the sides of his cheek, like his mother's beak would fit over. You want to stand up, or are you too tired? Come on. Come on. All right. He jumped around a good bit when I was trying to put him back in the incubator. But he won't do it again. Of course, I had the camera turned off. Come on. Oh, yeah. You're going to be camera shy. Huh? All right. I'm going to put you back for real this time. Let's get back in your warm house. Come on. See the crop? Still nice and full.